it's called Welcome to Wash Day. Hope you guys like it. So I'm starting off on some twists which I had in a hot oil treatment, and I am going to be taking those twists out and rinsing out the twists, as you can see here, with warm water. I will go through each twist and I will rinse them. Typically, I don't do a hot oil treatment, but I figured that I should give my hair a little more than what I've been doing. I've just been doing the African Pride Moisture Miracle pre-poo before I went in the shower, but this time I told myself that I should just douse my hair with essential oils, and that's what I did. I left it on overnight and I'm rinsing it out, as you can see here. So afterwards, I will put the two twists together and create one big twist. So in all, it will be 4 twists instead of 8. Honestly, what I could say is that I had a lot of slip, and since my hair was in the TWAID out for about 3 weeks, yes, I know I was lazy, but yeah, that's besides the point. Don't come for me. Since my hair was in the TWAID out for 3 weeks, I had a lot of shedding, and I swept some up before I went in the shower, and I am currently rinsing some from my hair. So like I said before, I will twist up the section into one big twist. So I'll have 4 twists in all at the end. And just a reminder, I'm using warm water to really get as much oil out as possible before I go in with my shampoo. And honestly, another reason why I didn't really use the African Pride pre-poo in this wash day was because I'm kind of running out and I want to save it until I get another container. So that is another reason why, although this wash day is around African Pride. So I am going in with the shampoo from African Pride, and I will take some first, unraveling the twist. I will take some afterwards. Like I said, I will take some. A decent amount with this shampoo. A little goes a long way, so I didn't need too much. So I will go in with the shampoo, and it has this great lather, as you can see right here. Like I said, a little goes a long way. And this shampoo has a lot of slip. It really does. Y'all could really start to see my curls form. And that's another thing I like about this shampoo. It brings out my curls and it has great slip. And it's very moisturizing too. I will go in with a second wash, and that's what I'll do for the rest of the hair. So now that my hair is washed, I will go in with my conditioner, my chocolate conditioner. And I had put a little bit on every twist, and I will put on my shower cap now, and I will leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So now that that is out, I'm just rinsing out again with warm water. I had to use a lot of conditioner in this round because the conditioner was watery, so I had to use a lot. So I'm just rinsing out, and again more shedded hair is coming out, but you know, that's normal because hair sheds. So plus I left in my hair for 3 weeks, so it was to be expected. So I'm just going through every section with warm water and just rinsing out the conditioner that I left in for 10 to 15 minutes. While I left mine in for 12, but you can leave yours in for 15, you can leave yours in for 10, or you can go in between like I did. Alright, so I am done, and it was a simple wash day just like in the title. So now I'm going to wrap my hair with my t-shirt, and I am going to tie it with a scrunchie. And this is the end of wash day, guys. If you liked this video, definitely make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And share this video with a friend or whoever is interested in natural hair content, and I will see you in the next video.